God damn it, Billy. Billy, it's fucking 7:30 in the fucking morning. You wake me up? At least you're doing your fucking job. If you weren't doing your job, I would crush you like a goddamn soda can. And I could do it too, Billy. You wouldn't even know it was coming. Go work, Billy. Stop doing squares, man. Just go work. Stop thinking about things and just do it. Are you stuck? You're just going back and forth, you idiot. Oh my god. It's getting frustrating. Oh my god. I lost Billy. Billy? Billy? Where are you, Billy? Don't scare me like that, Billy. I don't know what I would do without you. Mama loves you. That's right, Billy. Go into the bathroom. That's where you belong, you piece of shit. Just kidding. You do a great job. I'm so proud of you. Billy, I think you've been cleaning enough. It's time to put you back to where you belong, my friend. Go on home. Billy, go home. It's over there by the other vacuum. The one that never knew how to do shit. That's right. Go. That's right, my wonderful piece of shit. I could fucking end you if I wanted to, Billy. I ended this fucking vacuum. I could fucking end you right now as you sleep. Love you.